Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Cronus Zen with keyboard and mouse. First, connect your Cronus Zen to your computer using the micro USB data port on the back. Next, plug your chosen keyboard and mouse into the peripheral USB ports, usually marked with a controller icon, on the front of the device. Finally, connect the Cronus Zen to your console via the console's dedicated USB port, ensuring all cables are securely seated for a stable connection. Download and install the Zen Studio software from the official website onto your computer. Launch the application and navigate to the Programmer tab to select your desired game pack, which contains specific scripts for various titles. Drag the chosen game pack to one of the available memory slots on your Cronus Zen device. Then, configure the output protocol to match your console type, for example, PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, ensuring seamless compatibility. Achieve optimal aiming and movement by fine-tuning your settings within the Zen Studio software. Adjust your mouse sensitivity and acceleration to match your personal preference, often requiring some in-game experimentation. Implement anti-recoil scripts to significantly reduce weapon kickback, giving you a distinct advantage in competitive play. Carefully calibrate the controller dead zone settings to eliminate any unintended input, ensuring every movement is precise and intentional for superior performance. Explore the vast library of custom scripts created by the Cronus Zen community for unique gameplay enhancements beyond standard game packs. Regularly update your device's firmware through Zen Studio to access the latest features and maintain peak performance. Should you encounter any issues, always check your cable connections and ensure your chosen game pack is correctly loaded onto the device. Consult the online forums for quick solutions to common problems, ensuring your setup always runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.